they gonna take out my shoes?
Not only if you ask. Only if you want to get it out today. All right. Dentist appointment. Dentist appointment. Ready? Come on, soccer girl.
A, B, C, D.
Let's go. We're late. Well, we're not late yet, but we might be late.
Sunglasses, they don't fit me.
Yeah. Please take care of using the stairs. Be careful, Emma. Don't go fast. Okay.
Where does it go?
I don't know. Probably in the office. Really? And you barely fit in it. Are you serious? What is that?
A unicorn.
That's a unicorn? Really?
Look at his eye.
You're nuts.
He blinked.
You're nuts.
He blinked.
He blinked?
He
Oh
blinked.
no, his eyes move. Creepy.
He blinked.
Oh, that's creepy. Did you have a fun day in school? Yeah? So you just got home and immediately to the dentist. Let me see your teeth. Oh, you still have some food on it. Whoops. Need more water?
Wiggly wobbly.
Don't you dare stand. Don't. Ah. I don't know why you're
You're
falling.
gonna make me fall.
No, I was gonna hold you.
I don't need you to hold me.
Really? Okay, you're being naughty right now. Ooh, you're too tall. You're tall. Silly. Emma Oliver?
Mbappe.
You're Mbappe?
No.
You're his sister? No. Ew, just stop grabbing everything you find.
No.
What? Sit right there. You want it to sit in that little chair? Okay. What is yellow? You look at your glasses. Yeah, they're your son. Time you were here, you had no front teeth. Want to get it out? Don't do this at home. How do you feel? Tickle, tickle, tickle. So serious. Ah, you're so serious. Seriously. Oh, here's the dentist.
Hello.
Uh-oh.
Hi, cutie. So you just lost the tooth, huh? Look at this wiggly one. I think this is gonna say goodbye this weekend. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Open big for me, huh? Yes. Ice cream is in order. Open bigger, huh? Lovely. Everything else is holding up good. Good job. The next 2 hours, alright? You want a little tooth box, so make it happen this weekend?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you think? Ready? Cool. Come on, baby. Pink?
Fuchsia.
Oh, is that the name?
Yeah. You see?
It's gonna go with the tooth fairy?
That's right.
Cool. You're a wild girl. She's a wildie. But fun. Where? Oh, squirrel. Yeah, he's outside. Okay, we gotta run to the car. Hey, stop chasing the squirrels. Silly.